Have you ever sat in a taxi and suddenly forgot every English word you know?
You just sit there thinking, go, me, hotel, please?
Don't worry. After today, you'll sound confident in any taxi.
And you'll learn simple English phrases that taxi drivers understand everywhere.
Hey everyone, I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Today, we're teaching you how to talk to a taxi driver in English.
Real phrases, real examples, real taxi English.
Let's start the ride.
When you want a taxi, just say taxi.
After you sit inside, greet the driver. Hi, good morning, good evening.
Now tell the driver your destination. I want to go to the airport. Can you take me to my hotel? To the city center, please. Imagine we just arrived in a new city. We're tired and want to reach our hotel.
A taxi stops. The driver smiles.
Hello, where to?
To the Royal Garden Hotel, please.
Sure, hop in.
And just like that, you're on your way. If the driver doesn't understand you, say, let me show you the address. Here, it's this place. Can you follow the map?
If you want to change the speed, can you go a little slower? Can you go a little faster?
If the direction feels wrong, I think this is the wrong way. Can you follow the GPS? Can you take the main road, please?
Asking about price is simple. How much is it? Is it fixed price? Do you take card?
When you want to stop here, please. Right here is fine. You can stop by the corner.
Situation 1. You want the taxi to stop. The correct line is, stop here, please.
Situation 2. You want to show the address. The correct line is, let me show you the address.
Situation 3. Wrong direction. The correct line is, I think this is the wrong way.
If you want to check arrival time, how long will it take?
If you want small talk.
How many minutes?
Is the traffic always busy here? Do you like driving taxis? Is this your full-time job? Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Where to?
To the airport, please.
Okay, about 20 minutes.
Great. Can you go a little slower?
Sure.
Thanks. Also, do you take card?
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you.
When the taxi stops, you say, how much is it? Here you go. Keep the change.
And for goodbye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.
The word taxi comes from taximeter, the machine that measures distance and price.
So a taxi basically means a car with a price meter. Hi.
Hello.
To the Grand Hotel, please.
Okay, about 15 minutes.
Great.
Do you want AC?
Yes, please.
Music?
No, thank you. How long will it take?
15 minutes.
Okay, stop here, please.
Sure.
How much is it?
$18.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Tip 1. Keep your sentences short.
Tip 2. Show the address on your phone.
Tip 3. Be friendly. It helps.
Tip 4. Learn these 3 key lines. Can you take me to... Stop here, please. How much is it?
Your challenge. Write a 5-line taxi conversation in the comments.
We'll check it and correct your English. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, tap the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons.
Stay confident.
And see you next time. Bye.